Ever feel like your expensive power tool batteries die way too soon? Well, you might be onto something. In a world of planned obsolescence, some companies seem to design products to fail, and it looks like power tool manufacturers might be in on it too. A video from the channel Tools Scientist takes a deep dive into Milwaukee battery packs and makes a shocking discovery. Despite having all the right electronics, it appears these packs don't actually balance their battery cells. He ran a bunch of tests, even letting a battery sit on a charger for 21 days, and the imbalance he created never corrected itself. What does this mean for you? An unbalanced battery pack wears out faster, forcing you to buy a new one sooner. While it's possible this has been fixed in newer models, it's a good reminder to be a savvy consumer. Is it a cost-saving measure or a clever way to make you buy more batteries? You decide. Thanks for watching.